Here are the top 5 restaurants that I tried last May 2025. Hi mga kaitis! Paalala, these are all my preferences and by creating this list, nag-focus ako sa lasa ng pagkain, uniqueness ng dishes, value for money, ambience, service at lugar. Number 5 would be Hill House Dining located sa Pagray Hills, Antipolo. Parang lumang bahay na yan siya tapos may napakagandang view ng city. Ang sarap ng comfort food, especially squid ink pasta tsaka 4 cheese pizza. Number 4, Va Bene sa BGC. Authentic Italian food as in Italiano talaga chef at nag-i-import pa ng ingredients from Italy. Sumikat to matagal na tapos named one of the best pasta places in Manila. Para ba naman kasi made from scratch yung pasta tapos sobrang high quality ingredients. Especially itong organic eggs tagliatelle tsaka yung ravioli eggplant. Number 3, Ontis Bakery and Restaurant sa Marikina. Homey, classy, tapos very cozy. Pagpasok mo sa loob, amoy ang freshly baked breads. Ito yung babalik-balikan namin ng buong pamilya. Filipino foods siya, tapos pet-friendly. Try their binagoongan pala and pork barbecue. Number 2 is Jose's sa Gateway Mall. Elegant, royal, and very sophisticated ambience. Perfect pang romantic date. Napakasarap ng kebabs tsaka yung butter chicken. Number 1 is Nara Thai sa Makati. Bagong bukas pero grabe, impressive yung interiors. High ceiling, ganda ng pasok ng ilaw sa loob. Very royal family ng Thailand ang vibes. Don't miss out pad thai, tom yum soup, red and green curries, pati yung mango sticky rice. Sobrang sarap dito. Yun lang.